Let's today talk about Swami Dayananda Saraswati, a sage, philosopher, also known as Swami Dayanand. This is an information compiled from different books, epics, for the sake of exam, of UGC and yoga.
Now let's start with the questions. First question: Swami Dayananda was an Indian philosopher, social leader and founder of Arya Samaj. Whether it is true or false. So the answer is true. Next question: who first gave the call for Swaraj as India for Indians in 1876? So it was given by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Next question: what are the books written by Swami Dayananda Saraswati? These books are Satyartha Prakash, Tattva Bodha and The Value of Values. Next question: who encouraged education and equal rights of men and women? So it was by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Next question: what are the key principles of Arya Samaj? And the principles are: God is known through knowledge, God is omnipresent, endless and merciful, Vedas are true knowledge, and one should promote physical, spiritual and social good of everyone. Thank you.